Hey guys, Eric Martel here. In this video, I'll be discussing how to achieve financial freedom. Financial freedom is the ultimate goal for many people as it provides a sense of security and the ability to live your life to its fullest. How can you achieve financial freedom? In this video, I'll break down the steps to help you on your journey to financial independence. But before we get there, I want to explain to you why I think financial freedom is crucial for your future. It's crucial for various reasons. Number one is for retirement. At some point, we all want to retire and enjoy our golden years without worrying about finances or becoming a Walmart greeter. So many people have plans and they think they know exactly when they're going to retire. But there's a lot of unexpected events in life. A late career layoff, health issues, or caring for a loved one may force you to retire earlier than you expected. Then there's the lack of pension plans. The traditional three-legged stool of Social Security, pensions, and saving is no longer a reliable source of retirement income. So you need to invest smarter in order to ensure a safe retirement. Then we have inadequate retirement savings. Many people struggle to save enough for retirement. In fact, many people aged 55 to 65 only have $134,000 saved up for retirement. For the younger generation, like the millennials, they are experiencing a changing job market. As the gig economy grows, income fluctuations and gaps in income will make it very challenging to save for retirement. Then we have investment performance. Your investments may not generate the returns you expected. So what does financial freedom really look like? Well, financial freedom means having enough passive income to cover all your living expenses. Passive income is money you earn without actively working for it, such as rental income or dividends from stocks. And finally, now how do you achieve financial freedom? Well, by building a passive income portfolio of assets that are going to generate enough income to pay for your living expenses. And in order to do this, you follow these steps. First, you need to calculate your passive income target. So determine your desired lifestyle and create a budget so that you understand your living expenses. Don't forget to add a buffer, say 10% for unexpected expenses. Then you have to change your mindset. Shift your focus from working a full-time job to becoming an investor or entrepreneur. Make decisions based on whether they bring you closer to your passive income or further away. Then you have to find the perfect investment. And if I had to start with a blank canvas, there would be 5 things I would be looking for in the perfect investment to generate passive income. And number one, of course, is to generate passive income reliably that would grow over time with inflation or maybe a little bit more. Then I want to be able to leverage this asset. I want to be able to borrow against it so that I can buy bigger assets that will appreciate over time. And third, we want this asset to appreciate over time. It doesn't have to appreciate that much because the leverage will actually multiply that particular appreciation because you're going to be putting a little bit of money to control a big asset, and that big asset is going to be the thing that's going to appreciate over time. Then you want to look at something that have tax advantages that will give you tax benefit. You're getting passive income, you're going to get money in your pocket, but at the same time, you're going to have tax advantages with this particular investment that will reduce your taxable income at the same time. So that way, you're not going to pay as many taxes. And finally, you want an asset that you would be able to transfer to the next generation. There's no point for your kids to start at ground zero. Why not get them set up with a passive income portfolio that you created and that you can pass on to them with minimum taxes? So this is what I look at. Now, you could consider stocks, but or that pay dividends or whatever, but that's not going to get you there. This is why my favorite investment is real estate rental, and preferably single family rentals. Now that we all agree that real estate rental is the best place to invest your money for generating passive income and securing a financial future, you want to determine how much money you need for your real estate investment. Of course, we're going to be leveraging these real estate investment as much as possible. And the reason for this is that it's going to multiply our appreciation, as I mentioned earlier, is going to increase your cash flow, And over time, that cash flow is actually going to help. You don't have to worry too much about paying down that loan. The tenant is going to pay down that loan. There's going to be cash left at the end of the month. So for each of these properties, you're going to estimate how much cash, how much down payment you need, how much closing costs you need, and then you'll be able to figure out how many of these single family rentals you need to acquire in order to achieve your passive income target. And what you want is start investing now. Don't wait to save the full amount. If you come up and say, I need $500,000 to invest, don't wait until you have all $500,000 in the bank to do that. You're wasting time. Start investing right away. Start investing with one property as soon as you can, and take advantage of the tax benefits associated with real estate. This is going to kind of start going into a snowball effect where the tax benefits are going to help you save more money so that you can invest more money. You're also going to have the net cash flow that you can take and reinvest in your real estate investing. At the beginning, you may be able to only buy one property a year. Then eventually, after a couple of years, you may be able to buy 2 or 3 properties a year. Then you can estimate how long it will take to reach your passive income target, and you plan accordingly. So reinvesting rental income can accelerate the process as well as saving more money from your current job. You may want to consider a side gig. If you can't buy enough property, start a side gig to generate more income. Side gigs can also offer additional tax advantages. So for example, if you have some skills in terms of software development or programming or creating web pages or something like that, you could do a side gig, and if you buy a laptop or you have an office space or you have a phone, these are tax deductible expenses that can help you reduce your tax burden. Then you want to build a team. You want to surround yourself with a network of professionals. So you want to have a mentor, 1 or 2 mentors, a CPA, lawyer, property manager, lender, contractors, all these people that you have access to. You don't need to have all of them right at the beginning, but this is something that you may want to consider. So financial freedom can change your life in many ways. It's not just about having passive income and quitting your job. It actually changes your job perspective. You may not need to quit your job, but financial freedom changes how you view work and how it affects your life. Better money management is also something important. You'll have more time to manage your finances and avoid costly mistakes. Tax advantages. Investing in real estate offers tax benefits, especially for full-time real estate professionals. So imagine you're working all this time, and now with this investment, you're going to have more income at home. You're also going to be able to see new investment opportunities. Once you have more time, you can explore additional investment opportunities with potentially high return. At the beginning of your real estate investment journey, you might be buying turnkey single-family rentals to really accelerate building that passive income portfolio. But as you are working more in that area, you may decide that it would be more beneficial, or you have opportunities to actually do a BRRRR strategy where you're actually buying the distressed property, renovating it yourself, renting it out, and then refinance it at the end. So this is an opportunity where you would have even a higher return, more cash flow. So this is something that would be very important to you. But that only comes after you have more time. You've bought back some of your time so that you can invest that time wisely in additional investment opportunity. Financial freedom also allows you to pursue entrepreneurial ventures such as starting a company or investing in startups. Achieving financial freedom is possible with careful planning and execution. I hope I've proven to you that achieving financial freedom is much more than making money. It's making a life for yourself and giving you freedom. I want to emphasize freedom here. It's not just freedom with additional money, it's freedom of your time. Please follow the steps that I've outlined in this video and you'll be on your way to living the life you deserve. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you click the like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.